Got it here, another next level gas can. Check this out. This is all metal, so you can carry it with one hand or two people. You see, two handles. This is quite unique. There's a safety feature. Just open that, lift it, and then whenever it lifts up, it will hold in it. Whenever you're gonna be pouring it, maybe you have one of those funnels, you can pour it like that with a big funnel, and don't have to worry about holding it. Or you can grab this attachment that conveniently locks in over here, pretty good, and then you're gonna put it this way and then just push it in all the way to where it locks in. Boom. Still new. And again, this is technology. Whenever you push it, it will pour, and once you get to that level, it's supposed to stop. So let's put it to the test, see how it works. Obviously, to fill it up, just pull this off, set it like this, go fill it up. I will be using empty bottle as an example, but this is how it's going to look like. Oh, too heavy. It will push in the bottle and it will start running. And look at that very heavy flow. This is nice. Let me use a different bottle because that bottle is too soft. So think of it as your gas tank. Obviously it won't be out of plastic, it'll be out of metal. And you kind of just rest it. 10 liters, it's pretty heavy. As you can see, it's gulping really good. It's highly ventilated and it's pouring really well. And once we get to the edge, it will stop automatically. Boom! Do you see? It stopped. That is so nice. I kind of want to show you how it works with the transparent bottle close up. Again, these nozzles are so amazing. You see? It's pouring really well. Hopefully you guys can see through the bottle. And as soon as the liquid gets to that little point, it will stop pouring. You see it? Every time. One more time. It's pouring really fast, and once it gets to the edge, you see it stop pouring, and I can take it out. That is amazing. All I have to do is press it and look at that flow. Again, this is just water and it's just going so well. Wow. And again, if you have a funnel, look how easy it is to take it off. Oops. And then just grab it and pour it to the funnel. Again guys, this is just water. So definitely next level gasoline can right here. Love it. Got it here, portable soft solar panel. So it comes out like this. It's perfect, can go back on the back of your backpack, or you can lay it out anywhere. So it goes like this. Wow, this thing is a paper thin. I did not expect to be that paper thin. So it tells you how charged it is. Oh wow, this looks like a power bank as well. Tells you how much power it has by beeping. You see, right now it's at red, blinking red. So what we have to do is just lay it in the sun, it will charge it, or you can just plug it in the wire, either charge it this way and you can pre-charge it, or you can output right here, plug it in and get it from the sun and charge your cell phone or power banks. But also at the same time, that is a power bank. Wow, that is cool. Or you can even secure it on a backpack like this. You see, with these two little rubber bands over here, and it will hang down. That is cool. I'm just gonna secure it on the door like that. Let's say we stopped, and as you can see, because there's a power bank, right now it's blinking red. I don't know if you can see it. Yep. So that means if it's blinking red, it's 0 to 10%, or like 50 to 10%. So we want to have it to 90 to 50% blinking and full right here. We're gonna leave it all day. It's around 1 o'clock right now. Sun is way up. We're gonna leave it for a couple hours. Let's see how fast this power bank will recharge. This thing is insane. I can't believe it how skinny that solar panel is. Okay, it's been about 3 hours and what I'm seeing is short red. You see, so 50 to 10%, and the error is red and green. So it's charging it pretty slow. Sun have moved quite a bit, so we probably have to reset it. But we're gonna lay it on the floor like that, so that we're getting full sun, and see if it charges in a few more hours. This time I'm gonna lay it down to see if it's going to charge much better and faster. Sun is up here around 3 o'clock, 3:30, so plenty of daylight. See if it will charge it a little bit. Okay, and it's fully charged. You see it's green, fully green. It's 100 to 90%. That is nice. So very unique. And there you go, there's instructions. So yeah, once you're done, all you have to do is roll it up, and it's just paper thin. It's so cool. And at the end over there, it will protect it. You can make it tighter by just spinning it like this, and this rubber things will hold it all together. There you go, super unique and very small power bank with a solar panel that is very skinny and lightweight, perfect for hiking and camping. Got it here, really cool 3D printed marble machine from Etsy. Etsy is pretty cool for that kind of stuff. So it's operational with your fingers, not by batteries. Comes with bunch of balls. So I guess we're just gonna dump them in there, see what happens. Beautiful, you see how it's stacked up when it's off. And what we'll do is just run it. And it will run up by that spiral all the balls. So it's like changing the position. Ooh, maybe I should kind of like put them in the different directions. This is so satisfying. Whoop, one fell down. You kind of want to have it very, what do you call it? A very level ground. This one is not the most level. Very smooth, I love it. I love how it drops balls from here to here. Let me give you a little bit different view right here, so that way you guys can see what's going on. Wow, look how they go. Yeah, definitely needs to be leveled. If it's not level, it's not going to work. And that's why they lift all the balls right here. Hopefully you guys can see. That is so satisfying. Very nice office toy, stair lift toy. Look at that. This is definitely one of the biggest one. I showed you a small one before. This is really big. Definitely keeping that one, saving for kids to play with. Really love this big trucks. Oh, one fell down. So much going on, I love it. Okay, different view again. Oh, spinned out. Again, this table is very unleveled. Trying to hold my table so it's level a little bit. So cool. Definitely stairs I live. So if you have a nice firm heat, it opens it well. So this has got to be the next level bottle opener. Filmed that about 9 years ago. Let's see what it's all about. Still the best in my opinion. So grab yourself a little soda, and if you need to open it, you see, you just put it in there. That's it. So you grab your soda, and if you need to open it, boom, that's it. It opens it so quickly. So obviously you would have to hold it and it flies out. Just do a little push to it, but really firm one, so that way it flies, opens it. So yeah, there you go. Very easy. You know what? This one's a twist off. Let's try to do it with Coca-Cola. I didn't realize those twist off on the bottom. But it works with the twist off too. If you're not stoned enough or you have injuries, boom. It works so well, look at that. Okay, these ones are definitely not twists off. Let's see. Ooh. Almost didn't do it. Let's try this again. That's what I'm saying. You gotta do firm push and it works well. Let's say we need to open a whole bunch of them really quickly. Let's line them up. So if you have a nice firm heat, it opens it well. You just want to push it all the way in. They push down what makes it open, and all the bottles didn't get broken. Looks beautiful. So you can open up a lot of soda quickly. And also you're not touching the bottle with your finger, just push it, boom. Very cool bartending tool in a sense. I really like that bottle opener a lot. And in case you're wondering if it works with the twisters bottles, it works. For the bartenders, you know, you don't want to grab it and touch it all over and give it to somebody and then they have to drink it. So if somebody wants some kind of twist off, still can open it with a bottle opener without touching the rim, super quickly and easily. Twist off or non-twist off works super well. Really like that a lot as a bottle opener. Pop the top. So there's a little mechanism. As you can see, if you push it, you see how it goes forward a little bit and back. So that's what opens it right here. That is very unique, and obviously it's spring loaded. And it popped. Beautiful. Got right here another very unique marble machine. Definitely quite noisy. Let's look at this close up. You see how there is a lot of marbles, so they run off non-stop and rolling up non-stop. That's cool. Also there's a little single one, kind of different but similar. You see how there is a finger hole when you mix it. You see there's marbles over here without any tips almost. And then there are no over here. This is just such a unique little machine to work with. Definitely very creative. One more view over the top.